I'm Batu, and today we're going to be talking about American WorkFlow's content management software platform. Content can be images or document pictures that you can manage in your company. All right, so there is a nice even split down in the middle, which reflects the two sides of the coin with working with documents and information. On the left, we have searching for information, and on the right, we have adding information. Now, within American WorkFlow's content management software platform, we search using basically saved searches, as you can see on the left side. Now, these searches can be configured to be as general as or as wide as you like. And then on the right-hand side, adding information, we work with something called saved profiles. And the saved profiles are a structured form, if you will, for us to prompt the right information to index a document and take all that key metadata that you need when a user uploads can be image or document pictures and so on. So as you can see, I upload a couple of profiles, as you can see here. It can be shop by collection, new arrivals, or bestsellers. As you can see here, whatever we upload on the shop by collection, it will go under the artwork, Father's Day collection, for example, copper glass coaster, paperweights, and photo frames. Let's go to artwork, for example, for under search. Right, when we click on artwork, we can find the images or the document pictures under can be a product name, product ID, product description, or a product manager. So for example, let's go with product ID. I'm going to be called, let's go with DPI, for example, 001. And when we click on run, all the product IDs for DPI 001 will be shown in here. As you can see, we have two documents for that. When we click on it, as you can see, this is the handcrafted New York piece cut out, and you can see the product name, you can see the product ID, and a product description. We call it artwork. You can see the date as well in here. And the same thing goes with the paperweight. You can notice it's under the product ID, product name, product description, and you can see the image in here. So basically, we can search every the document or images through here with one word. This can be by one word or a couple words, like we can do product name with product ID or product description. Now let's do a quick demonstration. Let's click on shop by collection and we'll be downloading an example image. Let's go with this one. As you can see, once it upload the image, it will go to unindex files. And when we click on it, and we can see the image. And if we are good with everything, under this document title, we'll save it as success. So we're gonna be going under artwork, and we'll be clicking on run. And as you can see, this is the image that we upload, and you can see it on the right here with the product name. And we can add to product ID. For this one, I'm going to be calling DPI, for example, 0002. And for description, I'm going to be saying photo frame. And I'm going to save this. As you can see, we update our product ID and our product description with the product name. Let's close it all. And here we go. It's right here. We also have the option to generate links as well. We can do that here. So I have generated a link. So I'm just gonna copy and paste it. As you can see here, click on this. As you can see, once I paste that link, the link that I generated will, come, and you can see the image and right here as well. Well, that concludes our demonstration for American WorkFlow's content management software platform. Thank you.